How to add your religion on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your religion on Facebook mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Facebook and click this three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and click settings, and now click profile information and then go down until you find basic info. Click edit, click here you will find this one, religious views. Just click here and add your religious religion. Click on it and add it and click save, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.